Hello and welcome to the another video of understanding the Rich Bundle Builder. So in this video, we're going to understand how to redirect customers after adding a bundle to the cart. So each Rich Bundle Builder, you can control what happens after a customer adds a bundle to their cart. So let's see how. So simply go to the Rich Bundle Builder and open the bundle from here and navigate to the setting behavior and then select the after aid to cart option from here. So you can see there are four options like stay on page, go to checkout, go to cart page, and open cart drawer. So let's explore the option one, which is stay on page, right? So by default, the customers stay on the same page, bundle page, after adding the bundle to the cart. This is useful when you want customers to continue browsing or add more options, more products without leaving the page, right? So let's explore the option two, which is open cart drawer. So simply click it and save the changes. Now open the bundle preview and refresh it, right? So as a customer, select your product, some random products, and then add bundle to cart, right? So instead of leaving the page, the cart drawer opens instantly and displays the bundle that was just added. So this creates a smooth shopping experience and allows customers to experience browsing while keeping their cart visible. So let's get back and explore the option, which is go to cart page. So simply click it and save the changes and open the preview link. Refresh it. Now, from here, select some random products and add bundle to cart, right? So now customers are redirected to the cart page where they can review their bundle, update quantities, and continue to checkout. This option works well for stores that want customers to review their card before purchases, right? So let's get back to the customizer and check the option, which is go to checkout. Simply click it and save the changes, go to preview, refresh it, and select some random products and then add bundle to cart. So here you can see customers are taken directly to the checkout page. This option is great when you want to reduce step and encourage faster purchases, right? So with Rich Bundle Builder, you can easily choose the customer journey that best fits your store by selecting the preferred option in the after aid to cart setting. So that's it. Thank you.